graced you with objectives. Black team will protect large caches. I don't know what that means, but if black team's around something, it's probably valuable. Air canisters are scattered around the field. These are these big, if you ever seen a firefighter, those big tanks. If you find those on the field, let's see, large groups of air canisters guarded by them. Might want to take one or two. I don't know if they're worth anything. Oh, 15 points each. So anytime we grab one, it's 15 points. Make sure to bring it back here. They are a little heavy, but should be fairly easy to get them back. And they're slippery. So if you can't hook your finger inside the threaded hole and kind of tuck it under your arm, that's the easiest way. Look for gold bags if any left. Find the king and listen to his tale. It is different this time if you find him. Capture the zone. Only scored at the end of the round. 5 points each per flag. Again, we are blue. They are tan. So if the flag is blue, we're gaining points. Not right now. Not right now.
I know. I'm just making sure it's all good. We are blue flag.
Are blue? Those are ours. Okay.
Smoke is yellow, by the way.
Dankeschön. Yeah, I can tell. Thank you.
Make sure to pull sideways 90 degrees to the grenade, not straight out.
So like this?
No, other way.
Like this?
Straight out. Yep, like that.
Thank you. Okay, I'll have it like that.
If you do it the other way, it does it.
Yep.
It doesn't spark it, it just pulls the entire charge out.
Yep.
I've used 2 kegs before.
Remember grenades. Remember grenades.
Is the flags are in the same spot?
It should be, but I can't confirm that.
I'm just saying, if the flags are in the same spot, there's
Like I
two.
said, I don't know if they have different objectives than we do, so we just gotta stick to ours. If you see tan,
Yeah, there's two.
Huh?
There's like two in that middle bridge area over there.
okay, I haven't seen the field, so I have no idea. So I need
Yeah.
to help you guys.
Flag apparently.
If black team is guarding something like that, they might be hostile. Keep your guns on them. Don't walk up to them like they're friendly. If they make a threat at you, shoot them. But don't go in alone.
Can they die?
Yes.
Yeah. Because we don't want them to go aggro on us.
It's one of those things with like scavs and Tarkov. You shoot one, everyone in the next mile radius will try to kill you.
Zombie piglins.
Yes, exactly.
You don't know what that means, but I do.
And also by proxy piglins too, if you attack a brute.
Start before those 3 get back.
Or just attack any of them, but you get the idea.
Okay. Anybody have any questions about the objective?
Nine. Niet.
Hold up. We're getting a mission change. Give me a second. Yeah, it's all controversial mission folder.
Well, I would run
The
pistol.
air canisters are no longer there. They are boxes. But again, black team will be guarding it like it's a weapons cache.
Any color? Or just C for black?
Probably cardboard boxes because Nate's lazy.
Okay, so just look out for black.
Just look for the black team guarding a cache, and every box is 15 points. It'll be easier to carry, so it should be good. 1 box per person.
Got it.
Okay.
Oh, fuck, this is good. That's gonna be annoying. The sling. That'll be fine.
In that case, I'm happy to carry the
Okay,
boxes
so you
back
can't
in.
take more than 1 box, but black team will probably hate you for it, so just make sure you have your guns drawn.
Okay.
Got it.
Any questions?
Yeah.
No, they're just, black team's opinion, are they automatically hostile? I don't know. It depends on if they're willing to give us stuff or not, but I highly doubt it since they're a bunch of contractors. They want their money too.
Or maybe it said they get paid regardless.
Shoot if necessary.
Yep.
We're good on green, just over. Yep. Hey, so. 1 minute bleed out. If you find a bunch of black team guarding some boxes, that cache, each box is worth 15 points. We're doing the same thing with the flags. Make sure they're blue and not red if you're near one, so that we can start getting points as well. Okay. Same thing with money bags. If you find those, the black team is heavily guarding that cache. They probably won't let it go easily. You can take as many as you want, but beware of the consequences. 15 points per box. Any questions?
Yeah, here.
Bring it back here.
Give me a money bag.
Where's your buddy?
So, hey, grab a money bag. Give it here.
Just to show what they are?
Weapon hit. First off, grab 1. Only grab 1 at a time, but keep looking for these.
Yes. Were they spawning on the pedestals like I was being told?
Yep.
All right.
Okay.
Now,
Solid.
I'm taking that.
Yep. Smart idea.
I was kind of wondering if that's why you're asking for it.
Keep
Don't
the
go
rest.
alone.
I like it. Don't go along.
No, and shoot, I want you to take another squad, go somewhere else, and keep the objectives up. Okay? We can't have 2 guys that have radios. You guys are my...
I'm carry man.
I mean, I have a radio too,
Alright.
but only if you deem it necessary for me to set up one.
So,
Yeah.
What's up?
Where's black team with the box?
We We have no idea. They're just guarding a cache somewhere.
There was a bunch of
Alright.
boxes up.
So
on the
real quick,
tower.
Yeah.
I know weapon hits count as
Yes.
hits.
Yes.
What about if they hit the boxes?
If you're I'm gonna take the paintball rules on this for tournaments. If you're holding it and it gets hit, you're probably hit.
Okay.
I don't know how big these boxes are either. It used to be the scuba tanks. It's now cardboard boxes. Should be a little easier.
That's nice.
Nate literally said, "Oh, it's boxes now because I'm forgetful."
2 rounds. Rocket launcher.
I heard it.
Hey, can anyone check if I'm recording?
Yes, red light.
Thank you.
Green light. Run back to phone.
Duke, we'll get you figured
Got a
out
full
with the
blinky
video
blinky.
once
So,
Dankeschön.
I'm not too worried
who
about
wants me?
I'm just gonna keep heading over that way and that side down there.
Who wants the RPG then?
You want to go
it. I don't think we necessarily need it right now.
to take
We
out
also
the
don't have
blacks in the
vehicles.
What?
area?
No, I wasn't hitting you. I was hitting that way.
I bounced off my
Oh,
back.
I'm sorry.
8,
If you take a
7,
to do,
6,
you might find something.
5,
Glad to see I found
4,
a new misfire.
3, 2,
My old-
1. Move! Let's go!
That was black. They are active hostile. Right? That was black?
Active hostile tower.
Alright, do you want me to take it out?
Yes, it is. CC is shooting at us.
Go that way. I'm gonna go that way. Go, go.
We're trying for that. RPG is dead.
I think that.
Huh?
Green right here, green right here. This side, I'm green.
I see you. Careful, frog.
Yeah, frog. We don't want to see
Okay, see you, green. Fuck.
Are we pinned now? Did we just trap ourselves?
No, we should be fine. Careful though.
We just smoke it right out front.
No. Let him do the deal. I got a visual. Right. Huh? I know, I got eyes on her.
Oh, there's a box right there.
Good.
Did you get hit?
No.
How?
ricochet. Took the impact. Got her. Clear. Yes! Clear! We're good on the tower. Also, oh shit, it dropped. Okay. You fired your gun? You dropped your gun. Pistol. Shit. It's somewhere around there.
Do you want me to smoke?
No. No good angle.
Bro, we're gonna get smoked out. We gotta move there. Yeah, it's a 10-foot radius.
Let's wait for.
Shoot this. Are they all dead?
There's only one up there. I don't know if there's anyone there. I just took 2 shots just to be safe.
Not yet?
She in? She's in or hit? Thank you. Yes. Okay. Eyes on the king.
What happens if we shoot the king?
Yep, ice. No. Yeah, smoke her out. Try to get in there. Straight 90. Yep, got it. Shake it, yep. That was close. No. Hit! I'm bleed out. Yeah. That's an awesome fucking pan. Whew.
We're doing good. We're doing good.
Yeah,
Ian's been bribing them with these money bags to get more boxes.
as long as we keep getting money back, you should be fine.
Absolutely.
Apparently both my spares fell out of the holsters.
Contact right. No. Foghorn. Hit. He's hit. Game over. GoPro, stop recording. Get another shot, I don't care. Hey, am I blinking? Am I blinky?
Yes, you're blinking.
Thank you. Team. Hit! Oh, okay. Huh? I don't know. I know that's a tan going to the bathroom. There's... Oh wait, I'm dead. I had my hand up, you dum-dum. No, sorry, you goofer. You goob. Less mean. There's no timer while in here, right?
No.
Okay.
No, as soon as you cross that green line, you can run right back in.
Alrighty, just want to double check. Really fucking loud. Oh! There we go. GoPro, stop recording.